trolley stop right there. Cannery Village condos. Townhouses, not condos. Views on these townhouses. Businesses downstairs in this neighborhood. Got miscellaneous small businesses in the Cannery area. Area was probably once known as the Cannery Village. Investment companies, some kind of other professional services. Both sides of the street. Well-known little coffee shop over here that locals love. We're gonna walk by there. It's called Alta. It's a sunny day. It's a bit humid out though. I'll say that. Take an additional stroll through a different part. Got some beautiful homes over here. There aren't a lot of homes in this neighborhood. A few older ones and a few new ones. There are homes around the corner, but not right here. Very common to see alleyway parking at the beach, right? At the beach, you're gonna see that. Nice, very cool. Wow. Pilates and yoga, must have. Orange County. Fine art dealer or gallery of some sort. Kind of a prime location, very unique. Got a few houses on the street. Great location, quick beach access. Got coffee shops close by. Probably one of those walkable homes. It makes use of it like Disney or something together, of course. That's Beach. Looks like something maybe ashes. Oh, there's Wild Taco. If you're a local, you'll know that was the former location of Bear Flag Fish Company, which is now in Via Lido. Check that out. It's not taco time at this exact moment, so it's not busy right now. I think we're gonna wrap back around after we touch Newport Blvd. Of course. Building is the former home of Rudy's. If you remember Rudy's, it's a really hot happening spot. People used to go there to dance and such. Voila, Newport Blvd. Yeah. There's Malarkey's, the classic spot for the weekend. Always busy, always aligned, very popular. Got good music playing. Shout out to Mama D's. Very popular Italian spot. They might also have a new location in Corona del Mar. Malarkey's is really the first part of the nightlife on the peninsula, of course. Local juice bar. Coming up on the Helmsman, which used to be called Newport Beach Brewing Company, for those of you, again, who are locals or have some memories of here. Let's see what else we have down this street. Outdoor dining and drinking at the Helmsman. Hard to believe that it was Newport Beach Brewing Company for so many years that it changed. But time moves forward. A barber shop. Another commercial space. Not sure what that's for. Got some units over there, if you're able to live right there. It's a barber shop. Bird. Got some bicycle parking. Must have in a beach community. It's a newer restaurant. Butcher and Baker, newer restaurant. Exciting. It's the Cannery area once again. We're coming up on the other side. Some other homes over there. Try to find some access. Looks like some outdoor seating. The business area over here. There are the Cannery townhomes we saw previously. Let's take a shortcut. Let's go take on a little bit of a tour. This time, we're gonna go this way. We're gonna go from 30th Street. Now, if you are watching the video just going to be part of Newport, keep in mind that we are just off of Newport Boulevard. This isn't going to be the exciting nightlife area, but a lot of people do want to see other parts of the city. So, obviously it's quite a large city, and you do have different neighborhoods available. Up ahead, several buildings away, are some condos directly on Newport Boulevard. Another beauty place. Nice remodel or luxury townhomes. Very interesting. Gotta be luxury, right? This is Newport Beach. Beautiful, beautiful city. Quick turn. And we're going to walk this way as we continue down. The beauty salon. The city has many, many beauty salons. Many. So many beauty salons. It's hard to tell you just how many beauty salons it really has. Another art gallery. Coming up on 28th Street, looks like there was a parking lot that's going to be changed into something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Of course, there will be more videos coming of Newport Beach, Orange County, Laguna Beach, Huntington Beach. I've got a lot of videos in the works for everybody, showing you all these cool cities. This one was a little bit more of a tour of the side streets. It wasn't so much a tour of the main streets. Now, I think it'll be nice if we just do a quick walk over here. Let's see if we can access the water, because of course this is part of the bay, which is one of the most beautiful features. Voila, there's the water. Now, Is this the most beautiful part of the bay? No, because you have the boat docks right there. But don't worry. We're gonna get lots of beautiful shots of the rest of the bay. Take a peek here. You can stroll along the water right there. Those condos I told you about. This is actually like a patio on the bay. These look to be quite nice. Here, Duffy boats, very popular. What's more Newport than a Duffy boat? Hopefully Duffy did really well. Right there's Avila's El Ranchito right on the boulevard, on Newport Blvd. Again, this is going to be our side street video, so we're not going to pick that up. Just going to wrap back up, walking back to the Cannery restaurant. Well-known local seafood place. As you see, there's a lot of construction going on. A lot of upgrades, I think. Not just new buildings, we always see a lot of upgrades. You know, it's a place where people always beautifying their homes. There is the Dock Restaurant. I believe that previously had a French name, but now it's called Dock. Here you have a studio of some kind. Marine part, boat part. Not sure what this is. There's the Dock. Local restaurant. Very cute inside. It's quite busy on the weekend. So the food, I would hope, would be pretty good. It wouldn't be busy if it wasn't good. There's the water. Of course, it's called the Dock because it's on the water, right? Makes sense. Quick peek down this street. See some older homes and what look like some remodeled homes. At the end, you see Newport Blvd once again. A little yacht passing by. Take a pause. And then we're going to wrap up again at the Cannery Village area. Now this tour, as a reminder, was off of via Lido, not far from Lido Isle, but really side streets of the Newport Beach Peninsula, which are going to be, the peninsula is going to be comprised of two major streets. That's Newport Blvd and Balboa Boulevard. And that's going to be the main nightlife section of Newport Beach. That's where you find the bars, the happening spots where the college kids go and other people go too. They want to go out and have a drink. All right, everybody, I'm going to wrap up the Cannery. Let's show you one more quick view of the beautiful Newport Harbor, Newport Bay. Please, of course, after you like the video, put a comment down there. Let me know if there are other parts of this city. If you want to see more of Newport Beach, Huntington Beach, Orange County. You know, we've got our other videos of Las Vegas. We've got some upcoming videos of Idaho. We've got Oregon videos continuing. We're bringing Oregon to you. More of that exciting Portland area. We've got the Vancouver, Washington